Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to do this right here with a triangular shape, but they're having trouble centering it when they rotate the second one. So to make something like this, we're going to get the polygon tool. Either you can use the polygon tool or the star tool. I'm going to use the star tool and make it four-sided. Okay, and then hit P and put it in the center of the page. Then let's see how big this thing is. It's 15 inches. Let's set our nudge factor on 20. And let's make a duplicate of that and move it out of the way. Now let's take this one and turn it into a three-sided. Now, before you do anything, we need to rotate, there are three of these, so we need to rotate it 120 degrees, but we only need to rotate it half of it. So we're going to rotate it 60 degrees, and then we're going to make it a three-sided, and then we're going to nudge it back, and look, they're equal. That's really the only, well, you can do it another way, but not any faster. Now let's take both lines and let's make them 2 points. And then let's take this one and make it red by right-clicking. Let's take this one and make it yellow by right-clicking. You can barely see it. And then let's select them both and go to Object, go to Effects and Blend. Let's just blend, let's blend 200 times and you're going to get that right there. Now, you can always make it less if you want to show the lines. Like there are a few lines there. So we could actually go here and go to the blend on this side. And right here you have when you click on it, you can see the 200. We can make it 400 or 500 and you're not going to see the lines anymore. Or we could grab that again and go just like 50 where you could see the lines. So two different effects. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.